Hi, my name is Brandon, and on today's edition of 30 on 3D, I'll be going over manufacturing templates in GrabCAD Print Pro.
Alright, so in this section we're going to be covering the manufacturing template feature in GrabCAD Print Pro. So on this F900 tray, you have just a standard block. There are no complex geometries or anything like that. But usually for a block like this, to set up the job, you want to modify your tray settings, your model settings, and your support settings. So let's say you're running a company and you wanted to print every single job that you ran ASA, you wanted to print it at 10,000 layer height. You wanted to use a sparse infill, and you wanted to use smart supports. Now, if you had to train a lot of technicians and this is the only way you ever wanted to print ASA material or jobs in ASA, it's very difficult to ensure that there are no errors for all future job prints among all your technicians. But what you can do now with the manufacturing template is that you can select all these settings once. You can then export it as a manufacturing template, and let's say you wanted to name this something like ASA sparse 10,000, and you go ahead and save it as a manufacturing template. Go back to File, you can open the project, and you can actually open this manufacturing template, and now you have what is known as a restricted project based on the manufacturing template ASA sparse 10,000, which is something we just created. Now with this part, if you were to load in the block again, you can't actually adjust any of the tray settings or the model settings or the support settings, but you can clearly see that they are at the exact specifications that you loaded in for your previous job. So sparse and smart supports and printing at ASA at a 10,000 layer height. Now this manufacturing template is really beneficial for basically just training operators to make sure that there are no errors. If you have a standard that you have at your company to print all your jobs at, this is really good just to make sure that there are no errors across hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of jobs. So yeah, that's a really cool benefit of manufacturing templates.
Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in a 60-day free trial of GrabCAD Print Pro, please give us a call or visit our website.